Python Basics, How to Comment Your Code. Have you ever looked at a piece of code and wondered what it was doing? That is where comments come in handy. Comments are essential for making your code understandable. They help explain what your code is doing and why. This is especially helpful for anyone reading your code later, including your future self. In Python, creating a comment is simple. You start a line or part of a line with the hash symbol. Everything that comes after the hash symbol on that line is ignored by Python. For example, you can write, "This is a comment." You can also place comments at the end of a line of code. For instance, print "Hello world," hash this prints a greeting. Now, if you want to write comments that span multiple lines, Python does not have a specific syntax for that. You can either put a hash symbol at the beginning of each line. This is a multi-line comment using hash symbols. Alternatively, you can use a multi-line string literal, which is created with triple quotes. This string is ignored by Python if it is not assigned to any variable. Here is how you can do it. This is a multi-line comment using triple quotes. Keep in mind that this is not technically a comment but a string literal. There is also a special type of comment called a docstring. A docstring is a multi-line string that is placed as the first statement inside a module, function, class, or method. Docstrings document what the code element does and can be accessed programmatically. They use triple quotes and should be written right after the definition line. Here is an example. Def example function. This function demonstrates a docstring. Pass. When writing comments, there are some good practices to follow. First, explain why the code does something, not just what it does. Keep your comments clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary details that do not add value. Use complete sentences and proper capitalization for better readability. It is also a good idea to limit comment lines to about 70 characters for clarity. Additionally, avoid writing obvious comments that do not provide meaningful explanation. Comments can also be used temporarily to disable code during testing. Just place a hash symbol in front of the code line you want to disable. In summary, commenting in Python involves using the hash symbol for single-line comments, triple-quoted strings for multi-line comments or docstrings, and writing comments that help explain the purpose and reasoning behind the code. This practice improves readability and maintainability, making your code easier to work with.